Hi, welcome back to the Frugal Homestead. Today I am going to show you how I make my easy chocolate peanut butter fudge. So, you only need 2 ingredients for this. That's what's so awesome. That's what makes it so easy. First thing you're going to need is a jar of peanut butter, a 16-ounce jar of peanut butter. It doesn't matter what brand or if it's smooth or crunchy. I got crunchy because I didn't want to add extra nuts whenever I could just go ahead and use the crunchy peanut butter. So I got crunchy, but you could add other nuts like walnuts or, pecans, whatever nuts you like. And you need 1 thing of chocolate frosting. You can do milk chocolate or you can do regular chocolate, whichever one you want, whatever you like, and it's your, whichever one. All right. First things first, we're going to put our peanut butter in the container. You want to use the whole jar. I bet you're thinking, how are you going to cook that? What makes it so easy is it only takes 2 ingredients and you get to use the microwave to cook it. You don't even have to cook it on the stove. You're going to be amazed how quick you can have this done and whipped up. Alright, so there's that. Now you're going to add your full container of frosting. You can do these separate if you want to melt them separately and then add them together, or you can just put them all in one container. I just put them in one container and I melt them together and I mix them together. Alright, so whenever I get all these in here, we are going to take it over to the microwave, and I'm going to put it on for 30 seconds at a time. And then I'm going to take it out, stir it up good, and we're going to get it mixed really well before I bring it back over. Alright, I'm going to the microwave, get this done, and I'll be right back. Okay, so that took about 3 minutes to melt it all the way. And that's what it looks like. It's nice and melted, mixed together really well. You can see the nuts in it. This is going to be really good. Alright, this is the pan that I'm going to use, and I just use a disposable pan, and I put a little bit of parchment paper in it so that it's easy to get out later. Just push your parchment paper down. It should pour out like that. That peanut butter had a lot of peanuts in it. This makes good things to take to work during Christmas time. Nice, easy, simple. You can prepare it before or the night before. Really easy. Alright, there it is. We're going to put it in the fridge to cool for about an hour, hour and 15 minutes. Whenever it gets done, I'll come back and I'll take it out and I'll show you what it looks like and we'll cut it. Okay guys, so it's out of the fridge. I left it in there for about 2 hours. Whenever you do the recipes that have peanut butter, you kind of have to leave them in there just a little bit longer. I probably didn't need to leave it 2 hours, but there you have it. It's nice and set up. See how nice and solid it is? You can see the nuts on the top of it. Really nice. So what I love about these pans is if you just kind of loosen them a little bit on the sides, your fudge will pop right out. See? Just like that. And then you just gently pull your paper down so that it comes loose. There we go. Alright, let's cut it and see how the inside looks. And you really smell the peanut butter. Look at that. You can see all the peanuts in it. Nice and formed. Perfect fudge. And that was from 2 ingredients. So easy. Alright. Well, I've got to get all this cut up and put back up and get it packaged. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you did, consider subscribing and make sure you hit the notification button. That way you can see the upcoming videos. And I'll see you in the next video.